Hello everyone, today we are seeing how long it takes to sink a full cruise ship. Now, we're going to start from here and off we go. So you can see it starts coming down now. And cruise ships do take a very long time to sink, but this will take quite a while to sink. Right, now the stern is starting to lift up and the bow is starting to go down more, which is good. We need that. Just help it a bit more. Right, there they go. Oh, that was a big explosion. Now, cruise ships do take a while to sink. So now the stern is fully in the air, sort of. With the bow is fully underwater now. So now the lights are turning off because of the water. And now it's fully, half underwater. Now we just got this to do. And let me help it a bit more. We're nearly there. So this is what it looks like from here. This is what it looks like from our view. Now let's see what the bottom looks like. Oh yeah, it's going to be a very painful hit for the ship. Or when it reaches the bottom, it's going to be... Just help it a bit more. Now it's starting to sink in a straight line. Almost there. almost finished. And now it's fully underwater. And that's basically how long it takes to sink a cruise ship. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you and goodbye.